Hello children, a very good morning to all. I hope you are all fine. Okay, before entering into the class, tell me what is the day today? What is the day today? You can ask me, ma'am, what is this question? Today is Tuesday, right? So, today it is Tuesday, that is correct children. Tell me what is the day? First, what is the date? It is 10. Today the date is November 10. So what is celebrated on November 10? What do we celebrate children? So we are seeing this lesson also. Yes, what is it? So the answer is November 10 we celebrate Transport Day. What is the day children? It is Transport Day. So already we had learned about transport. In which lesson children? Yes, measurement lesson. Yes or no? Measurement of time and distance. In that lesson we had learned the origin of transport. Yes or no? First wheels and then steam engine. Then it led to the discovery of, what is it? Yes, automobiles. First they used animals. First people used to walk, right? And then they used animals for pulling loads. Then wheels are invented, steam engine. Then finally we got transport system. There are three modes of transport. What are they? We had seen this question in term 1. There are three modes of transport: air transport, water transport and land transport. You all know about this very well. So why this transport day is celebrated children? Why it is celebrated? So this transport day is celebrated to tell the importance of use of public transport to make the environment pollution free. So that is the importance of celebrating Transport Day. So with this information, now we are going to start our lesson. What is that lesson? Yeah, very good. It is chapter 7. Yes or no? It is chapter 7. And the lesson is getting to know plants. We are studying about plants and its parts, their uses one by one in this lesson. So it is the content of this lesson. So already we had discussed about the introduction, herbs, shrubs, trees. In addition to this we had seen also climbers and creepers. So in the last class we had done an activity, right? It's stem. So have you observed what happened to that stem children afterwards? Yes. So we are able to see red colored in the leaves and stems of the plant. So this proves that stems are used for the transport of water and minerals from the root and to the other parts of the plant, from leaves also to the other parts of plant. Next, today in the last class we had seen about leaf, and today we are going to continue that. And in addition to that, we are going to see about roots. And then in the next class, we will be seeing about flower, and then we will have a recap with some questions. So this is the introduction, right, about plants and parts of plant. So we have shoot system and root system. So in all these parts, we had discussed about stem we had completed. Leaf we had seen. In the next class, we will be seeing root and flowers. So what is the importance of trees children? They give us fresh oxygen. It keeps the environment cool. It gives us fruits, vegetables, medicine, shelters, chair, furnitures. Isn't it? And then they are also house of few animals. Forest, yes, forest is the house of animals. Then, so how do the plant prepare their food? By the method called photosynthesis. This photosynthesis we had discussed in detail, right? So, and then we had seen types of plants, trees. The taller ones are called trees. Shrubs. What is the shrubs, children? Yes, they have branches, but they are shorter ones. They have stems which are weak. And then herbs. They do not have branches. Climbers. Their stems are weak. They need a support to climb up. And then creepers. They lay on the ground. So these are all the types of plants. So whether you are sitting with a hints note, take your note down the points which I am telling you, okay? Then stem. As I said you in the last class, stems are part of shoot system. They may range from few millimeters to meters, and usually the stems are present above the ground, and few plants have stems below the ground also. And then this is the activity which we performed in the last class, right? We are able to see red streak in this plant. So this proves that stems are responsible for the transport of water and minerals from all to all parts of plants. Functions of stem, I said you, right? The stem helps to connect the root and the leaves, and it helps in the transport of water and minerals. So this is the function of stem. And then leaf. Leaves are present above the ground, and they are usually green in color. So the main function of these leaves are to perform the function of photosynthesis. The leaves perform photosynthesis. So when the leaves are often flat, so they absorb most sunlight, because photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of sunlight. Clear, children? Then look at here, parts of leaf. So what is this? Petiole. So this petiole connects the plant and that is the stem and the leaf. And then this margin, it has a margin. This broad shape is called lamina. And then we have veins. So the center to the leaf, this is called as midrib, and this is called leaf tip. Leaf tip. In addition to this, we had seen about parallel venation, right, and reticulate venation. So the veins which are present in the leaves, if it is parallel, they are called parallel venation, and it spread in all direction, it is called as reticulate venation. And then, so today this is the new topic. Note down the date. Write today's date, and then there you have to write transport day. And then start transpiration. What is it? Transpiration. This is the topic which we are going to discuss now. Clear, children? Listen carefully. Transpiration is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from leaves, stem and flower. You know that evaporation, right, children? So the water is converted to a vapor state. The liquid is converted to vapor state. This is called as evaporation, right? So in plants, the water moves through all plants and it gets evaporated from the leaves, stems and flower. So this movement is called as transpiration. The evaporation of water from the plants. What is it? The evaporation of water from the plants is called as transpiration. Clear, children? The process of evaporation of water from the plants. Such parts like leaves, stems and flowers. So there is loss of water. This process is called as transpiration. So you have an activity also to perform to confirm this process of transpiration. Okay children? So take the required things. So the required things are 2 polythene bags. 2 polythene bags. So take it and tie it to a pot. Tie it to a plant which is in a pot that grows in a, that is healthy and good. So tie it to it as it is shown in the figure A. Tie a polythene bag to a plant as it is shown in figure A. And then tie the one more polythene bag empty as it is in the figure B. Clear children? What to do with the polythene bag as it is shown in the A and B? Just do it, okay? Leave it for few days. Leave it for few days and observe what happens inside that polythene bags. So, what you can observe is you are able to observe droplets of water, the moisture content in the polythene bag. But in the B bag, you are not able to see anything. It will be there as you left. It will be there as you left it. But in the bag A, you are able to see the moisture content and water droplets on the polythene bag. So this experiment proves that water gets evaporated from leaves, flowers and stem. This process is called as transpiration. Clear children? So first we have seen an activity to perform the transport process. So the food and water and minerals transported to other plants. So and then the second activity is with polythene bag to prove the process of transpiration. So try this, take a snap or you can take videos and post it in the classroom, that is Google Classroom. So this is the work, you need to submit this work after 5 days. After 5 days. I think today it is Tuesday. You need to post this work on Monday. Clear children? Monday this work has to be submitted in Google Classroom. That is the video which you are taking. So start doing from today. Take a video or a snap and send it through Google Classroom. So that is a homework for, it will be considered as attendance for Monday. So this activity will be considered as attendance for Monday. Clear children? I hope I am clear. If you have any doubt, you can clarify this with me, okay? Now we are going to see the next one. Look at here. Loss of a plant's water to its environment through evaporation. So what is this called as? Loss of plant's water to its environment through evaporation. Yeah, I can guess you. So this process is called as transpiration. Next, look at here. What is the importance of transpiration? So in our body also we are able to see sweatings. Yes or no children? Sweatings. So what is that? Loss of water from our body. So naturally, what is that output? We get sweating and water is also ejected from our body through urine. Yes or no? So that is one way of waste secreted out from our body. And the other way of water secreted out is from the sweat. So sweating helps us to keep our body cool. Who gets more sweat? Their body used to be cool. The same here, look at here, transpiration keeps the plant cool. Transpiration process cools the plant and then allows the diffusion of carbon dioxide gas from the air for photosynthesis. You all know that plants take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. So, the carbon dioxide which is absorbed from the plants are diffused. So, they are in gaseous form. They are converted into liquid form in the with the help of this water. They are mixed with the water. And